What's up, YouTube? Jason at Carnage 4x4 Adventures. So it is February 18th, and we have a lot of work to do to get to Easter Jeep Safari. Let me show you what we got going. So YJ has a hung caliper in the rear. So we got some YJ calipers. There's the other one. JK is getting Rancho knuckles. Mother. Duramax getting 7,500 pound airbags. JK is getting a Ruff Stuff aluminum tie rod, so we have a spare. Also getting some rock lights, 1-ton tie rod ends, rock lights for the YJ. RCVs for the JK. New locker solenoids for the JK, because I've had them wear out on other people's, so I just want to get them done beforehand. Rear Acos adjusters, locker switch for the JK because both of mine are broken. I have a spare and a diff over here that I'm going to use for the switch. There's a good one in there. Also, new pressed rear axles. One of ours is bent, so we're going to throw these in and have completely pressed spare rear axles. And also synergy ball joints, because after 6,000 miles, no, I guess 10,000 miles, the G2 ones that were in this Core 44 are worn out. So I have to redo the ram because those Rancho knuckles raise everything 1.5 inches, so that's gonna suck because there's nothing to work with up there. A lot of work to do. I gotta go over this thing, just make sure everything's good. A new stereo coming because this one is not working anymore. Can't read it. So, got a lot of work cut out for me. I also have to get a camper and modify it to fit on the front of the new 40-foot trailer. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the trail.